Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect this Nintendo Switch to this dock and then to your TV, like so. I'm going to show you how you can connect this Nintendo Switch to this dock to your TV. So the equipment you're going to need to connect your Nintendo Switch to your TV is this. 1, you want this dock. 2, you want this Nintendo Switch with the controllers. 3, what you need is this controller so that you can mount your controllers to it. This controller dock almost. Now, what you want to have is the power cord, like so. You want this power cord, like so. The one that has this end on it, the USB-C on it. And now what you want is the HDMI cable that looks like this. Doesn't matter what HDMI cable you have, as long as it has these 2 ports on it, like so. Now, once you did that, you want to grab your Nintendo Switch dock, and on the back, you should see this Nintendo logo on the back with this door. You want to open it like so. Once you opened it, you should see a bunch of ports on the side, like this, like that. You see the AC adapter, USB, and the HDMI on it. As it says right there, AC adapter, USB, and HDMI. It doesn't matter what you connect first, because they're all gonna get connected. Now, what you want to do is grab your charger like so. You want to grab your charger and connect it to the top one like so. Right here. Connect it to the top port where it says AC adapter. This cable can also charge your Nintendo Switch like so, because it has the same port as you see, like so. This can charge your Nintendo Switch if you don't have the dock. Now connect the dock into the AC adapter where it says the charger, like so. And you want to route your cable through this hole right there. Now what you want to do is grab your HDMI cable, like so. It does not matter what side of the cable you use for the HDMI, because they're both the same, like so. Now connect the dock, the HDMI to the dock, like so. You should see the orientation. It's like this. It's like this on the orientation, where the label is on the back, like so. That should be up, not where it says HDMI, where all the warning labels are at. Connect it like so, like that. As you see right there, they're connected now. Now you want to route your cables through this hole right there. Now we can connect this dock and the cables to the TV, like so. Now what you want to do is head over to your AC wall outlet and connect this wall outlet dock charger, like so. What you want to do is head over to that. Now that you're at your AC wall outlet, you want to connect this, like so. Like that. Now that you connected it, you want to head over to your TV to connect the HDMI, like so. Right here on your TV, you should see these ports, right here. You see these ports, each USB, HDMI, and much more. The one you want is the first one, right there. The first one, because it says right here, it says HDMI 2. I don't know if you can read that. It says HDMI 2. Connect this HDMI cable to this one, like so. Just remember the orientation of the HDMI cable so it connects, not like this, because that you will be breaking it. Connect it like this to where the HDMI logo is facing like so, like that. Now we can head over to your TV, like so. Now that you're at your TV, what you want to do is connect your Nintendo Switch to your dock. But first, what you want to do is remove these controllers, like so. On the back, you should see these buttons right there. these buttons on your Nintendo Switch right here. Controllers. Disconnect them like so. Like that. Now, you want to connect your controllers to this little controller dock. Like so. Make sure the controllers go to the right orientation, like so. Now that you're done with this, you want to head over to your dock, like so. And connect this Nintendo Switch, like so. You should see on your dock, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, there's a connector like that. That's the charging connector right there. To where it will connect to this port right here. Now, what you want to do is just dock your Nintendo Switch on it, like so. And there's two ways of turning on your Nintendo Switch. One by pressing the power button right here, or by pressing the home button on your Nintendo Switch controllers, like so. Now you want to head over to your TV so that you can change the output. Because right now you can see that on the TV that it says no output. What you want to do is click input on your remote control, like so. You want to click input, and then you should see HDMI. You see TV, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and HDMI 3/RCA, and video component and screen mirroring. The one you want is HDMI 2, like so. And there, you want to grab your controllers like so. You want to grab your controller so you can turn on your Nintendo Switch like so. By pressing the home button. Turn on your Nintendo Switch by pressing the home button. Right here. This one right there. You see right there? Your Nintendo Switch is on. What you want to do is press the A button like so. Now, what you want to do is, if you want to turn off your Nintendo Switch, you can press this power button, like so, to turn it on, like that, but I'm not going to do it right now. Here, you can play all your games that you have on your Nintendo Switch, like so. These are all my games I have on my Nintendo Switch. Now, to turn off your Nintendo Switch, like so, press sleep mode, and then your Nintendo Switch should be turning off, like so. Cause you're back to the main menu to where it says no signal. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to connect the Nintendo Switch to your TV. Bye.